Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Monday. It's about 3:20 Eastern Time. We've had some pretty good moves today in some of the markets we track. And of course, primarily is that of cotton. Cotton today sort of broke out to the upside, if you will. We've been noticing that the last few weeks that March cotton continues to creep higher and higher and takes out the previous week's high. And we did that pretty much today in pretty fine fashion. The market went out above 6,200. Up 115, as well as the new crop December cotton going out very much above 6,500. So farmers are selling into this and popping cotton, I guess, and the market's still able to absorb that. And of course, the burning question is, why is this happening? I don't know that there's one particular answer. One is it's just a seasonal thing the market does. We tend to bottom at Thanksgiving, and then we turn up. And of course, the basis has been pretty strong for some very good lots of cotton. We're hearing the basis has been 200-300 over spot in March, and so that says something about a certain segment of demand, if you will. There's also talk from Informa Commodities or Informa Analytics that next year's crop would be off in acres. Of course, that's no surprise. But also the Chinese have come out and said that their crop is not as large as USDA has them pegged for this past year. So the market's beginning to sense something, I suppose. The impressive thing is we're doing this rally in cotton while the U.S. dollar continues to climb. Historically, there's a mirror image between cotton and the dollar. That's to say, when the dollar goes up, cotton goes down, and vice versa. That's just a proven response of those markets. But something's brewing out there because the cotton market continues higher. Corn also stayed up some today. Up about less than a penny, but still nonetheless pretty strong there. Soybeans, spot soybeans up 8 cents today as they continue to threaten the 11.50 area basis spot March beans. Feeder cattle up a mere 35 ticks today after being hammered limit down, limit down, limit down, and then some more last week. Not sure if the high's in that market or not, but boy, it certainly has gotten wounded, you know. And then wheat was down today after making that big run last week. The wheat market has, let the air go out of the balloon very quickly. I think we went to 677 in the spot market. Right now we're back down to 621. So that's a 50-cent break in no time. But I think we went out around 632. Russia is thinking about exporting a little wheat. I think the crop's a little better, and that's one reason for that as well. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Have any questions or comments? Give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.